I am still wondering what the people of Umuri did to deserve such an attack from us.
You must mind your words. The bush has ears. Everything the king does is right. I am sure you are not trying to question his action.
I was just wondering. Besides, you know the people of Umuri will come for vengeance, and you know how grievous that would be.
You are right. This is really a terrific moment. Bad things will happen. I see it coming.
Thank God they didn't see me. Only the gods know what would have become of me. Let me hurry up. It's getting late.
I don't know what I did in my past life that the gods decided to gift it to me.
I feel same way too. I don't know what my life would have been without you.
I can't wait to make you my wife. I know we will make a wonderful home together.
I pray so. I can't wait for Aguri and Umari to settle their dispute. You know, that's the only place you can get materials for our wedding.
Yes, it's really getting out of hand. I wonder why they are making issues out of something small.
That's how it looks until you're the ones involved.
Do you know, there's no way our village, Olanka, will drag a river with anybody.
But there's more to it. I heard that the River of Uri has spiritual powers, and anyone who has full possession of it will be super great.
Please, let's forget about these people of Aguri and Omori. Let's just talk about us. How many children do you want us to make?
Come on, get out of here. When you have not paid my bride price.
Greetings, Your Highness.
What do you want?
I have a message from my king. I must take my leave now.
Read the letter. Blood 2010-2020. They are coming to us on the 20th of October 2020. I laugh. I am ready for you, Umuri. I am ready to kill more of your people. I am ready to take over what rightfully belongs to me. Guards, go fetch me Akpaka, my chief warrior. I hear very loud songs of battle. Let all our dancers be prepared to follow the rhythm of the music. Greetings, my brother. Aren't you going to answer my greetings?
Are you sure you know who you are greeting?
Yes, of course I do. I am greeting my one and only elder brother.
I am still finding it difficult to believe. Gandu, you of all people, what suddenly came over you?
I realized I shouldn't be fighting with you over the throne. I must admit I have been stupid and I am sorry for all the abuse and pain I have caused you. Please, let's be united again. I am ready to give up the throne for you.
I am still amazed about the sudden transformation, but I must confess I am so happy. Thank God you realized the throne is not worth our disunity. You're my blood and only brother, and I will love you for life. Come here.
Thank you so much, big brother. You look so bored. Let's go for a hike. Can't remember the last time we did that together.
That's cool. Guards.
No need for guards. Just two brothers hike.
Okay. That will be fun. Let's go.
You look so worried.
I am indeed worried, my daughter. So worried I can't even think straight.
Is it about Ike?
Yes. I have a feeling that something bad has happened to him.
Nothing will happen to him. The gods are with him. I am sure he is safe wherever he is now. Don't worry, he will be back earlier than you expected.
I pray so. He's all I got. Just like his father, he is my sunshine. I can't wait to have him back.
He will, Mom.
Wait, no just go like that now. Help me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.